I was approached to start doing some collective work for the Whānau Transformation Project, and it seemed like an amazing initiative to me. It seemed like all of our wants and wishes had come together in one place to go forward. And being early childhood, the holistic view of community certainly appealed.
One of the things I really enjoyed about coming here back home to Ruapehu is the Whānau Transformation Plan and actually seeing it come to fruition. When you have a community that's diverse, that comes together in a collaborative way to find solutions to the problems that are uniquely ours, and to celebrate the strengths that we have, it's a great place to step into. So we're really privileged to be here.
What's that saying? If you keep doing the same thing, you get the same results. So, you know, if we start doing things a little bit differently and finding out the causes of some of the issues that we're having, well, I'm sure we'll be able to come up with a better solution.
The greatest thing is it's for everyone who lives under the shadow of the mountain, because that's what we're here for, that we're here for that collectivity. It isn't about race, it isn't about what you believe in spiritually, it's about what's good for all of us as community.
I was working in Ohakune for a few years and then went away, and coming back and seeing it, you know, there's a positivity about it. I've got family back home who think I'm stupid living in a town like this, but my wife and my children have got no issues about living here. Yeah, they're really, all of us are really enjoying it. And that's probably partly to do with, there's a lot of people around that are just thinking really positive and want to make some changes for the better.
It's had really amazing effect for the work that we do here in the Nancy Winter Centre, because when we want to do something, we can do it collectively. We know who to go to and who might support us in that work. Those collective activities with people with common views and common goals really support our community, which is what it's all about. It's about the people who live here.
I was overwhelmed when I sat in that governance group. The diversity of NGOs that were present, their desire to collaborate, to build something greater than ourselves. Synergy is a word that you often hear about but don't actually witness too often. Not in my case anyway. Because to really synergize, you have to lower down your position and open yourself up to be influenced at a base level to then recreate building forward. And I witnessed that with this governance that we have got here. So hopefully it's going to inspire those who look at what we're doing here. We're more than happy to open up our doors and to share, and it's a privilege to be a part of it.